Let's take a look at the file types in Navisworks. There are 3 different types of Navisworks files. The first is an NWC. This is called the Navisworks cache file. There's an NWF. That's called the Navisworks file set. And last but not least, there's an NWD. This is a native Navisworks model. Let's take a look at NWC. NWC, we said, is called the Navisworks cache file. This file is generated in 2 ways. If you open any kind of file directly, Navisworks will generate an NWC. This file acts as the interpreter between Navisworks and the software you're using. When you export a file from, say, Revit, that export will generate an NWC file. This file can then be merged or appended into Navisworks. An NWC file cannot be saved. The second type of file is called an NWF. This file will serve as a host for all the merged or appended files. This file will actually contain live links to the contributing NWC files. This is the file type used in production. The reason for that is, when you update either an AutoCAD or Revit file, or export a Revit model to NWC, the NWF model will be updated. So that means if you send an NWF model to somebody, you need to include all the links. As you can see here, the NWF has a live link to either NWC, AutoCAD, or whatever file type you have into it. The third type of file is called an NWD. This file type is the same as an NWF, but the links to the contributing model is removed. Look at this type of file as having all the models bound together. So, in conclusion, we have an NWC, an NWF, and an NWD. NWC is basically a temporary trade-specific file. NWF is basically your working file with links to your NWC files. And the NWD is the bound file you can send to your friends and family.